Let's eat. Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today on the menu, we're going to be making pumpkin pie spice French toast sticks. So if you're excited about the fall, then join me for this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the ingredients you're going to need. We're going to be using brioche bread. Now I got the slice, but it'll be better to get the whole loaf and you slice it yourself. That way you can get it as thick as you want. We're going to need 2 medium-sized eggs. We're going to need about 2 cups of regular corn flakes. And we're going to need about 1 to 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice seasoning. And of course, a little baggie for your cereal. All right, so let's get started with putting our cereal in our Ziploc bag. Now you can use a smaller Ziploc bag. You don't have to be dramatic like me and get the biggest Ziploc bag on the shelf. So go ahead and get you a Ziploc bag. You're gonna seal it up nice and tight. Make sure all the air is out and make sure that the top is sealed. Because when you start crushing this cereal, you don't want any cereal flying out. And you don't want your bag to be bulky because it won't crush as well if there's air in the bag. So go ahead and just crush your cereal. You can roll the rolling pin, which I'm going to be doing shortly, or you can just lightly tap it over top of the bag. Either way works fine. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started with cutting our brioche bread into sticks. Now, like I said, you can feel free to get the whole loaf that's not cut and just cut the slices how thick you would like them. All right, now that our bread is sliced, we're going to put it to the side and go ahead and prepare our dipping station. So we're going to go ahead and crack open both eggs. Now, if you're making a large amount for a lot of people, you'll probably need to double the ingredients, or depending on what you see is best of how much you need. But since I'm not making this for a large group of people, I'm just using 2 eggs. And when I put in my vanilla and my milk, it's going to go a long way. So go ahead and add in your vanilla and add in your milk, and feel free to use any type of milk you would like. I'm using whole milk, but you can feel free to use almond milk or whatever you like. It's up to you. We're going to go ahead and pour in our milk, and we're going to get started with whipping this baby up. So whip, 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 whip up your egg and milk and vanilla. Be sure to butter or spray your pan. All right, now that we have our station ready, we're going to use one hand to coat our French toast stick with the egg. And then once we place it in the dry ingredients, we're going to use the other hand to coat the French toast stick with the cereal. This is if you do not want to get your hands all messy and have like a wet hand with cereal caked up on it, or you can just use tongs and just be clean. So go ahead and coat your French toast sticks with the egg wash and with the crushed cereal. So now that your French toast sticks are cooking, you're going to cook them for about maybe 3 minutes on each side, depending on how high your fire is. Mine is on medium. And that way your cereal can get nice and crunchy. And y'all, it smells like fall in my kitchen right now. It smells so good. I'm just excited about fall, excited about these French toast sticks. And voila, they are done. That was just so quick and easy. Smells good in this kitchen. And I know you and your family are going to love these homemade pumpkin pie spice French toast sticks. Try these and come back to this video and let me know what you and your family thought of these yummy French toast sticks.